How to install the YouTube app on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to easily install the YouTube application on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do here is simply open up your Google Chrome and then search for youtube.com. So just hit enter. And once your YouTube has been loaded, what you want to do here is, if you see the download icon here, you can just simply install YouTube from here. Or if you don't see it, you can tap on the three lights here, tap on cast, save, and share. And then from here, you can install YouTube. So I'm just going to click right here and then install. Now the YouTube application will be installed on your device. As you can see here, it has created a new shortcut as well. So if I go to my desktop, as you can see, a new YouTube shortcut has been created on my desktop. And now a new window will pop up whenever you try to open YouTube. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.